Dance!
Ng happy birthday, ready? On my count, on 1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday!
Okay, so parang ganito lang din yung lalaroin natin. Pero yung stop dance, which is yung balloon. Ang gagawin po natin ay kailangan lamang po natin pass the balloon, and then... Okay, pass the balloon, pass the balloon, pass the balloon, and then... Okay, once na i-stop na yung balloon yung sound natin, kung sino ang may hawak ng lobo, siya yung, habang si Kylie ang naabutan ng balloon, so eliminated na si Kylie. So, kailangan natin siyang ibabay. Okay? So, ganun lang ang gagawin natin. So, merong mananalong 5 players. So, ilan tayo? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So, merong 4 na matatanggal. And then yung 5, syempre, mananalo na sila ng premyo galing kay Jollibee and Lucio. Alright, kaya naman, simulan na natin ang ating first game. Okay? Kuya Luis, ready ka na mag-play?
Opo.
Okay, galingan natin ha, Kuya Luis and Kuya Lucas sa game, ha?
Okay.
Okay, kaya naman bago ang lahat, batiin muna natin si Lucio ng happy birthday. Alright, Jolly Kids, ready? In 1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday, Lucio!
Wow! Alright, Jolly Kids, ready? In 1, 2, 3! Pass the balloon! Go, Jolly Kids! Up! Up! Okay, sige. For example pa lang yan. Sige, first try. So, si Kuya Luis sana ang first na mai-eliminate. Okay, one more! Under the winner, pass the balloon. Oh! Alright, sayang si Mari. Ano nangyari? Kinuha niya. Okay, congratulations. Meron ka pa rin syempre consolation prize. Thank you so much. Alright, Johnny Kids, taas natin ang ating mga kamay. Turo natin kay Maggie at sabihin natin, bye-bye. Bye, thank you. Thank you for joining. Dito na tayo, Maggie. Mag-play ulit tayo later. Ayan, thank you so much. Alright, Dr. Rowena, pass the balloon.
Swish, 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 the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the wipers on the bus go blink, 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 blink.
Sayang, tinanggap pa. Ay, natawa si Joel. Buti na lang, pinasa ko. Okay, congratulations pa din kay Nana. Meron ka pa rin consolation prize, syempre galing kay Jollibee. Alright, Jolly Kids, taas natin ang ating mga kamay. Turo natin kay Nana at sabihin natin, bye-bye, thank you so much for joining. Alright, now Ate Rowena, pass the balloon.
Blink, 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 all signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink.
Go! 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 Go!
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn.
Okay, si Kuya JB ang na-eliminate. Dahil dyan meron ka pa rin prize. Siyempre, galing kay Lucio. Thank you! Alright, so Jolly Kids, taas natin ang ating mga kamay. Turo natin kay JB at sabihin natin, thank you so much. So ilan na lang ang naiwan? Ilan na lang, Kuya? Bilangin natin kung ilan na lang sila. Okay, bilangin natin kung ilan na lang tayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so Kuya, ilan yung mananalo?
5.
Okay, so kuya, ilan na lang yung matatanggal?
1.
Okay, so isa na lang daw yung matatanggal. Kaya naman, Jolly Kids, galingan natin. Alright, so Kylie, alright, ready? Pass the balloon.
Bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Go! 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 Sino kaya ang matatanggal?
The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town.
Oops! Okay, si Kylie. Dahil dyan, meron ka ng special prize. Siyempre, galing kay Lucio. At congratulations! So, Jolly Kids, taas natin ang ating mga kamay. Turo natin kay Kylie at sabihin natin, thank you so much, Kylie, for joining. Alright, so since 5 na lang sila, meron na silang premyo galing kay Jollibee! Congratulations!
Go up and down, up and down,
Saan? Punta na doon.
and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, all through the town. The mommies on the bus go.
Alright, congratulations to our players that who won. Congrats! Ang bida ng saya, palakpakan natin. Walang iba kundi si Jollibee! Hi, Jollibee! Wow! Hi, everyone! Yes! Alright, syempre, meron din regalo si Jollibee para kay Lucio. Si Kuya Luis na nakakag-receive. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee. Ngayon, syempre, this time sa ating second game, Jolly Adults naman po ang maglalaro! So, Mami Isa, meron ka po bang meron ka po bang mag-i-recommend sa akin na gustong maglaro? Okay, so kailangan po natin, Mami Isa, ng 10 players. O, medyo marami ha. So, ayun na, nagtataguan na sila. Ayan. Kunyari wala kaming naririnig. Wala kaming nakikita. Okay, so syempre, pampagana, meron kaming premyo, special prize, para sa mananalo. So, Mami Isa, ayan.
Si Kiko. Si Lizboy. Si Joel. Si Al. Saka si Den.
Ito naman. Align.
Si Stephen. Si CJ.
Si Jake. Si Jake, saka si Mark.
Si Jack. Si Bart. Uy, tayo na kayo.
Ay, tayo na yung tinawag.
Tayo na daw yung mga tinawag ni Mami. Yung hindi daw pupunta, wala daw food mamaya.
Opo yung si Jollibee, mapapagod yan.
Promise, hindi ito nakakapagod at hindi rin mahirap ang lalaroin natin. Sobra lang.
Halika, picture kayo, picture. Halika, picture. Sama. Tayo rin.
Hi everyone! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Sir, kasali ka, sir. And Kuya Naka Brown. Okay, punta na po tayo dito sa mat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, kulang pa tayo ng isang player, Mami Lisa. Kulang pa ng isa. Kuya Junel,